The 50 pack of 5-inch hanging baskets, they came in a box just like this. I have already used some. But overall, these are super duper cute. They're actually very sturdy. I was very surprised on the quality of these. I was expecting them to be a little bit more flimsy, and they're not. They have a really good lip around the edge, as well as around the side of the pot. As you see, I'm trying to squeeze here. There is not an actual little piece of plastic on the bottom. Additionally, it's just kind of the holes on the bottom, so there's no additional tray. And then the hanging rod is all made out of plastic. It does have the 3 little hooks on the bottom. And as you can see, it just basically will go ahead and hold underneath the bottom of that lip, but on the inside, it just kind of holds as it is. So very, very cute. The hook itself is actually smaller compared to your bigger 10-inch hooks, which is just fine because these work perfectly for these little 5-inch pots. This one is a string of tears that I went ahead and planted, and as you can see, it looks really, really cute in this little hanging basket.
Share this with others and hit the thumbs up below if you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.